Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch the king mackerel in Fish It Roblox. So the king mackerel is a high-speed predator, and here I'm going to show you the location and the best trolling gear to catch this epic and rare tire in Fish It. So to start, for the location, you can just sail out to the tropical group first to get this one. And for the exact location, there are some places that you can fish inside the tropical group. The first one here is inside this cave on the left. And there are also another cave in here, right at the bottom of the waterfall. This is the second location. And the third location is at the top, so you can just climb up. And this is the next location. And for the gear, I'm using element road with singularity bait to get the king mackerel. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.